5 things you should know about the ASICS Gel Contend 5 running shoes. Number 1, the budget-friendly price point. Offers good value for your money, especially if you're a new or a casual runner. Number 2, the breathable mesh upper really helps keep your feet cool and comfortable during runs. Number 3, a neutral support is designed for runners with normal arches and a neutral gait. Number 4, the solid rubber outsole offers good traction and durability. Number 5, the Amplifoam midsole. It's engineered to maintain durability at softer densities, providing better flexibility, comfort, and platform adaptability, which is ideal for natural running.